Hi, this is Amy Jo Berman with your quick acting / auditioning tip of the day. And today's tip is actually part 2 of the tip I did yesterday about wearing glasses in your audition. So if you saw part 1 and you were wondering about part 2, this is about branding and your glasses. Let's go and watch the tip. Okay, so part 2 of the glasses video is really a question about branding. And what is branding really? You know, when I talk about branding, I'm really talking about how you're perceived in a moment when we just quickly look at you. What is the message that we get from you? A lot of you guys are running around with mixed messages. Your headshots have a particular branding, and when you walk in the room, you don't have the same vibe or look as your headshot. Your branding is off, it sends a mixed message, and then the casting director doesn't know what to do with you. So that's kind of what I mean when I talk about branding. So if when you're focusing on your branding before you create your headshots and all your marketing materials, you know that you get cast all the time in roles where they put glasses on you, or something that, you know, I mean, I know it's a cliche, but you know, sometimes when people wear glasses, there is that perception that they're more intellectual or smart. I know it seems really stupid, but yet you see it on TV all the time, right? And so if you get cast in those kind of roles a lot and you do wear glasses, you're going to want to get one shot of your headshots with your glasses on. You know, you don't want to have them all the time. You want to be able to give different looks. But if you know that you wear glasses from time to time in things that you shoot or in life, or it's a look that you know you can get cast as very easily, then go ahead and create a headshot with that. And when you do your audition, depending on what you're going in for, you're either going to want to wear the glasses if it's congruent with the branding for that particular part you're going in for. You're going to want to wear the glasses, and if it's not, then not. Was that helpful? Did you follow that? If you followed that, give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. If you have any other questions about that, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and maybe I'll do a video number 3 on wearing glasses in your auditions. And if you like these tips and you want them to keep coming, join my mailing list at amyjoberman.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.